let's take a look at how to make your own Apple Watch bands and what you need to do so. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. There are a lot of great watch bands out there, but not all work with the Apple Watch. We also see some Apple Watch bands getting their prices inflated heavily just because they support the Apple Watch. We're going to take a look at what you need to make your own band and give you many more options. To start off, you're going to need some sort of lugs that adapt your strap to the Apple Watch. They come in all different colors and varieties, though we're going to use those Durastrap ones or these simple silver ones. When picking them out, make sure you choose the right color, style, and size that you need for your Apple Watch. You're also going to need some traditional watch bands. Look for something that doesn't have anything weird or tapered at the end, and come in the right size to match the lugs that you chose. We're going to get into that in a second. We're going to be demoing this today with two different style bands. A silicone band from Barton watch straps, and a heftier stainless steel and ceramic model. We really like both of these bands, and links for this and lugs are going to be all down in the description for you to pick them up, or simply go ahead and choose any ones that you'd prefer. We chose these couple bands for a number of reasons. First off, we liked how they look. I like that steel and that ceramic style of the metal one, and I like the curvature and the other design aspects of the silicone. The metal one also comes with a bunch of tools, additional pogo pins, and a link removal tool to make sure you can size this to your wrist without having to take it to some jeweler or watch repair place to have it done. The metal one definitely has some heft to it, which we really like. It also has nice easy ends that are going to perfectly attach to our lugs, and this may even look good with our black Apple Watch, though it may be more suited for a silver model. The Barton silicone straps have a nice locking mechanism to prevent it from coming off while you're working out. The pogo pins also have a little lever that makes it really easy to put these on and off the lugs. That installation process being easier is even better. Now let's talk about what size watch band you're going to need. In our case, we have a 44mm Apple Watch Series 4. We're going to be using these rugged 44mm lugs to go with. It of course also works on the 42mm. To work with these rugged lugs on our 44mm watch, we need a 42mm band. If you have a smaller Apple Watch like the 38 or the 40mm and you're using a different band style, you're going to need maybe a 20mm band. But it really depends on the lug that you choose, so make sure to check out the description of the lugs you're purchasing to know what size band will go with it. And of course, you never know for certain until you measure it yourself. Lugs and band in hand, you're good to go. It's really easy to put these bands together, though it can still be a little bit knacky and may take a couple tries to get everything to line up exactly as it should. Once in place, it should be very secure and won't be going anywhere. We'll then repeat the same process for the other side of the watch band. Make sure you have the lug in the correct orientation. That little silver part should be on the bottom, and if you're never sure, just line it up with your Apple Watch and make sure the curvature matches. Of course, if you put them on upside down, it'll only take you a second to remove them, flip them over, and attach them again. We can then take our brand new assembled watch band and attach it to our Apple Watch the same as any other watch band would. If you opt for the more modern, simple looking lugs, they're just as easy to put together, though they do require a screwdriver to actually remove a screw that holds the lug into place. When you reassemble those, make sure that screw is in securely because you don't want anything coming apart while you're wearing the Apple Watch. Both this band and the metal band that we use come in a ton of different colors. So if you have a black, a gold, or silver Apple Watch, you're sure to find something in these or in any of the other countless watch bands that are available. You can find different watch bands on Amazon and stores. Pretty much anywhere that sells watches will often have bands available. So if you're looking at Fossil or Shinola and you see a band that you like and it doesn't have an Apple Watch version, know that you can pick it up as long as it's the right size and attach your own lugs within minutes. This metal band does not have those easy little pins, so you'll have to either use your fingers, your nail, or a simple watch tool to put it into place. It still is easy to do and doesn't take much time. This metal band actually came with this watch tool in the box, so we didn't have to pick one up separately, though a flathead screwdriver would also work if it's small enough. The most difficult part of making your own band is making sure that watch band fits the lugs that you choose. There are many different combinations, so be sure to either look in the description of the lugs that you're buying or buy them first and measure them before picking out a band. In our case, for this 44mm watch, we need either that 22 for these rugged lugs or a 24mm if we're going with those more simple modern ones you saw at the beginning. Now let's hear from you guys. Have you guys tried at making your own Apple Watch bands? Throw those pictures up on Twitter and tag us at AppleInsider and let us know how they came out and which bands you found that you really dig. If you found something in this video that you really like, such as the lugs, either of the Apple Watch bands, you can find links for all of that down below in the description. Just be sure you get the right sizes for your Apple Watch. Got any questions? Let us and everyone else know down below in the comments, and we'll try our best to answer you. Enjoy that video? Click like and press on that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the Apple Insider price guide that has the best deals on Apple devices and is updated daily. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys in the next video.